In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form. If you've ever needed to collect signups, run a quick survey, or gather feedback from a group, Google Forms is one of the fastest tools to get it done. We'll walk through the simplest way to make a form from scratch with clear tips so you feel confident the first time you use it. Start by opening your browser and heading to forms.google.com. This is the direct home for Google Forms. It works best in a modern browser, and it's worth bookmarking if you plan to create forms regularly because it takes you right where you need to be. On the landing page, click the big plus button labeled Blank Form. If you already see a template that matches your needs, such as an event registration or a contact form, you can choose that instead to save time. Templates come preloaded with common question types, and you can still edit anything later, so pick whichever option gets you started fastest. At the top of your new form, add a clear title and a short description. The title should tell people exactly what the form is for, like weekly check-in or workshop registration. Use the description to set expectations. Explain the purpose, who should fill it out, and any key details such as a deadline or how long it takes. Clear context here leads to better, more accurate responses. Now click into the first question. Type your question just as you would ask it in conversation. Aim for simple, direct language so respondents don't have to guess what you mean. If you're collecting a specific detail, like a name or a date, say that explicitly in the question text. Choose your question type using the drop-down on the right. Short answer is great for brief text responses like names or emails. Paragraph works well for open-ended feedback. Use multiple choice when you want a single selection, check boxes for allowing more than one choice, and drop down to keep options tidy in a long list. Picking the right type helps respondents answer quickly and keeps your data clean. To build out the rest of your form, click the plus icon to add another question. Continue adding one question at a time, keeping a logical flow from general questions to more specific ones. Group related questions together so respondents can move smoothly from topic to topic. As you work, your form saves automatically. There's no save button to click. Changes are stored as you go, so you can pause at any time and return later without losing progress. That's it, you've created a Google form the easy way. From the first click to a fully structured set of questions, all safely saved and ready for your next steps.